Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. And number 10 is publish more books. The best way to become a successful Kindle publisher is just by publishing more books. You can go through all 9 of my previous tips, but if you only put out 2, 3, 4 books, you're not going to make a ton of money. You gotta keep publishing books, and you gotta do it for 2 reasons. Number 1 is by having more books out there, you have a higher chance of success. You publish a book, and boom, you get a hit. You publish a book, boom, you get another hit. And those little hits make up for the majority of your income. But the second reason is by publishing more books, you get better at publishing more books. Your first few books, you're going to make mistakes. Chances are they're all going to suck. But by going through that process, you learn your mistakes, you get better at the process, and you start to pick up all the patterns and all the things that experienced publishers already understand, but they only understood it because they experienced it. So make sure you get your next book published, and then your next one, and your next one, and your next one after that. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.